Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I think rose milk will be favorite to many one of you like me. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of rose milk Leches. Spongy and scrumptious cake is soaked with 3 milk mix. This is one of my favorite cakes and this tastes super delicious. If you like rose milk flavor, you're gonna love this cake. Let's begin by making rose milk flavored sponge cake. Take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour in a sieve. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In goes 2 pinch of baking soda. Add in 2 pinch of salt. Sift the flour mix so that everything combines well. The dry ingredient to make this cake is ready now. Take 3 eggs and beat it with an electric beater nicely. Add in 3/4 cup of sugar while beating the eggs. We have to add the sugar little by little while beating the egg. The sponginess of the cake depends on how nicely we are beating the eggs. The egg mix has doubled in volume and looks cream in color, so this is the right consistency. Add in 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Beat the mix until everything combines well. I have taken rose milk mix and this gives nice color and flavor to our cake. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of rose milk mix. Mix it gently using a wire whisk. We have got nice pink color from this rose milk mix. I have taken 1/2 cup of hot milk. Add in the flour mix little by little and mix it gently. Do not use electric beater at this point of time. Alternatively, add in the hot milk while folding in the flour mix. Actually, I'm making rose milk flavored hot milk sponge cake. Beautiful pink color cake batter is ready now. I have taken this 8-inch baking tray and greased it with oil. Now pour in the batter into the baking tray. Give it a tap so that the air bubbles goes off. Bake the cake for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The baking time depends on your oven type. Look at it friends, the spongy rose milk cake is ready now. Actually, you can have this cake as such, this is so delicious. Next, I'm going to prepare evaporated milk. I have taken 1.5 cups of milk in a small saucepan. Boil and reduce 1.5 cups of milk to 1 cup of milk. You can use store-bought evaporated milk as well. The milk is reduced and we need to strain this milk. Evaporated milk is ready now, so we'll be getting 1 cup of evaporated milk. Next, I'm going to prepare 3 milk mix. This is 1 cup of strained evaporated milk. Add in 1 cup of good quality of thick fresh cream. Amul fresh cream tastes best for this cake. Add in 3/4 cup of condensed milk. If you want to reduce the sweetness of the cake means you can reduce the quantity of condensed milk. Stir the 3 milk mix nicely so that everything combines well. This 3 milk sauces evaporated milk, condensed milk and thick fresh cream. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of rose milk mix. Stir in the milk mix until everything combines well. Rose milk flavor infused 3 milk mix is ready now. I'm going to soak the cake with the milk mix. Prick the cake with the fork so that it absorbs the milk mix. Now soak the cake with the milk mix. Pour the milk mix evenly on the cake like the way I'm doing. I have reserved 150 ml of milk mix which we'll be using while serving. Cover the cake with the cling film and refrigerate the cake for overnight or 3 to 4 hours. I have refrigerated the cake as well as the rose milk sauce for 3 hours. We need finely chopped pistachios and rose petals for garnishing. I have whipped in 3/4 cups of whipping cream and taken in a piping bag. Cover the cake with the whipping cream. You can use any nozzle to make the cake more beautiful. The cake is beautifully covered with the whipped cream. Now sprinkle in some pistachios and rose petals. I have already shared vanilla flavored Leches cake in our YouTube channel. I'll share the recipe link in the description below. The beautiful rose milk Leches cake is ready to be served now. This is the resort milk mix which we'll be using while serving the cake. Look at it friends, how moist the rose milk cake has turned out. Drizzle in some milk mix and enjoy the cake with the sauce. This cake is spongy, moist and super delicious. Do try this cake at least once and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.